43323. Please introduce yourself.
God day, ma'am and sir. My name is Linesita Miranda, 41 years old. I have one daughter, 16 years old. I have 5 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm eldest of my family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am college level, and I have also vocational caregiver.
From what school?
Fellowship Baptist College.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
Because of my family and me.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Doha, Qatar, and 6 years, and Malaysia 2 years, Hong Kong 1 year 9 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, I do bathing, changing lining, changing diaper, brushing teeth, prepare his medicine, and insert catheter, suction, and GT, and pig.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I do feeding, bathing, let him to sleep, and play.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese and Filipino. Steamed fish and Chinese, fried fish, fried pork, steamed minced pork, and steamed eggs. And adobo for Filipino food, pakpak-siw, and puchero.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am honest and trustworthy.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I wanna say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom and sir, if ever you choose me, I'll promise that I'll follow the rules and I'll finish my work of 2 years. Thank you.